जब तेरी याद का तूफान गुजर जाए।
Assalamu alaikum, namaste, good evening, shalom, sat sri akal ji, and hi y'all. I'm Zainab Nasser, a volunteer with the Domestic Harmony Foundation, editor of the DHF newsletter, resident entertainer, and your MC for tonight. This means that we're going to be spending a lot of time together. So I would like to welcome all our caring sponsors and friends of Domestic Harmony Foundation to an evening of comedy and music. Before we head towards that, we would like to draw your attention in a few critical minutes to our cause, the enormous work that goes towards assisting victims of domestic violence, and what we hope to accomplish with your help and the help of others like you. So let's first start with a short invocation by Nazli Chaudhry, a DHF board member. Nazli.
This organization is not about the promotion of individuals or genders, nor is it the advocacy of certain beliefs over others, nor is it about shaming or guilt. It is about families. It recognizes that the negative and harmful actions and behaviors of one family member end up harming and impacting the family as a whole. DHF focuses on both the family and the community in which that family resides. Domestic Harmony Foundation takes a holistic approach to addressing what some have incorrectly viewed as an individual and personal problem. It's often not about the individual, it's about the community.
No more a victim. I am a survivor.
Say no to violence.
Lower IQ scores, psychological problems, problems with attention and memory, impairment of visual, motor, integration skills. These are just some of the problems experienced by kids coming from homes where abuse takes place. Would it shock you if I told you that 275 million children worldwide experience violence in their homes? These statistics are from UNICEF. Roughly 3.3 million children each year in the United States alone experience domestic violence. These children grow up, 40 million of them, which is an entire generation, living with a devastating childhood as a foundation. If all these children lived in one country, it would be the fourth largest country in the world. 63% of all boys who commit murder kill the man who was abusing their mother. According to Makers Foundation, in 2010, more money was raised to protect the native birds of the United States than what was raised to protect these children.
So now that you've heard all the amazing work that Domestic Harmony Foundation has done, I really wanted for you to hear firsthand information on how Domestic Harmony Foundation has changed the lives of the two women or survivors that you'll be able to hear their stories. Each of the survivors was asked to complete the statement, what does Domestic Harmony Foundation means to you? And I hope that you will be able to hear firsthand how that change was possible.
DHF means support, care, and healing. DHF makes me realize that I'm not alone in this. At DHF, I'm able to connect and talk to women who are in similar situations as me.
जब तेरी याद का तूफान गुजर जाएगा, जब तेरी
किस तरह से हूँ बयां ताहिरा की खूबियाँ, किस तरह से हूँ बयां ताहिरा की खूबियाँ, पुरवकार उनका वजूद खुशगवार उनका मिजाज। मुझसे हुई जब हम कलाम, था नर्म लहजा प्यार का। मुझसे हुई जब हम कलाम, था नर्म लहजा प्यार का। था इनकिसारी का शुआर, नर्म गो और दिल बहार। अपनी माए नाज की आँख का तारा है वो, मलके पुखराज के ताज का हीरा है वो। अपनी माए नाज की आँख का तारा है वो, मलके पुखराज की ताज का हीरा है वो। अभी तो रहती हैं बहुत ताहिरा की खूबियाँ, क्या कहूँ क्या ना कहूँ ताहिरा की खूबियाँ। तशरीफ़ अब वो लाएंगी, इस शाम को सजाएंगी, गज़ल जो वो सुनाएंगी मसरूर करती जाएंगी।
दाग रहने के लिए होते हैं, रह जाएंगे। दाग रहने के लिए होते हैं, रह जाएंगे। दाग रहने के लिए होते हैं, रह जाएंगे। वक्त का
जो यूएस की ऑडियंस है वो लोग हैं जो 70s 80s में पाकिस्तान से आए हुए हैं, तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है कि दे आर फेमिलियर विद माय म्यूज़िक। उनको सब गाने भी याद होते हैं, उनको पता है कौन से गाने मशहूर थे। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ परफॉर्म करना, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऑडियंस में लोगों को फेमिलियरिटी है उन गानों से। तो आई ऑलवेज़ एंजॉय माई सेल्फ।
समंदर में उतर जाएगा, जब तेरी याद का तूफान गुजर जाएगा। ये महफिल जो आज सजी है, इस महफिल में है कोई हमसा हो तो सामने आए, हमसा हो तो सामने आए। झांझर फबदी ना मुटियार बिना, हो दिल तड़के ना छनकार बिना। चुप कर जा ना कर शोर, नहीं चलना तेरा जोर। वसतियाँ वस पैंदियां, दिल उजड़े ते मुड़ नहीं वसदा। झांझर फबदी ना, वो झांझर फबदी ना, वो झांझर फबदी ना, झांझर फबदी ना। वो बातें तेरी, वो फसाने तेरे, फसाने तेरे। शगुफ्ता शगुफ्ता बहाने तेरे, बहाने